Right, time to artificially create a merge conflict to show you guys how powerful Visual Studio is. More than powerful, how convenient it is. So let's pull it up. Alright, so from the last video we've got this repository here, right? And there are no differences right now, as I can see. So let's add a line here. So I've added one line from the song here, and what I'm gonna do now is add a line here. Right? So these are different lines. So what's going to happen is we're going to create a merge conflict when we attempt to synchronize. But before that, we've got to make sure we stage and commit. Always give descriptive commit messages. Alright. So I think this should give you the conflict now. It's not updating properly, but normally you see the 1 show up. There you go. Yeah, you see 1 now. It's telling you there are merge conflicts, resolve them before committing, right? You've got a few options here. First one being accept the current change, accept incoming change, accept both changes, and compare. I'll start with compare. Compare will show you both the changes, right? So you can decide which one you want. Coming back here, so it's better than a normal text editor where you kind of have to decide this yourself and make the changes manually. Here you just have to click the button you want. Then accept both changes will keep both the changes. Very obvious, it will just leave both these lines here, right? Accept current change is the current change, so it means no worries this. So the change we made manually in our local staging area, which comes under head. Accept incoming changes is the changes in remote, this one. So let's say for now I want to do this, there. Right? So now it matches remote. And now that we resolve the conflict, we again have to, so we've merged changes, right? So this has to be staged, and then committed. Solve the conflict, right? If I wanted to save and commit, and now we attempt to synchronize. This should work through. So now it wants my username, then the password. You can configure SSH and bypass the username password issue all the instead of having it all the time. There, we've synchronized our changes, and the code's been pushed. You won't see any differences because I chose the remote, but you could have chosen any of the options.